Problem 14 is probably the hardest problem on this review. It says find the value of each variable. If your answer is not an integer, express it in simplest radical form. But whenever I take a look here, I want to see what measurements I have. And the only side measurement I have is this 12 square root of 2. And that comes on a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So what I'm going to have is A, B, and 12 square root of 2. And whenever I do my base triangle, remember a 45, 45, 90 triangle has sides 1, 1, square root of 2. So A and B will both be under 1, and 12 square root of 2 is going to be under square root of 2. We should see that the square root of 2 over the square root of 2 will go away. And we have A over 1, so we don't want to cross multiply it. A is just going to be equal to 12. We have B over 1. Again, we don't want to cross multiply. B is equal to 12. So I already have two answers. Now when I look at the other triangle, I see that this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And I can change this A to 12 because we just found out that A was 12. So the 30, 60, 90 triangle, again, let's orient it the same way. 1's across from 30, the square root of 3 is across from 60, and 2 is across from 90. And what we have is 12, C, and D. And these side lengths here would be 1, square root of 3, and 2. So one triangle on the top, one triangle on the bottom. Now we're ready to cross multiply. C times 1 is C. That's going to be equal to 12 square root of 3. And to figure out D, we're going to cross 12 over 1 and D over 2. That gets us D equal to 12 times 2, which is 24. So our answers, A is 12, B is 12, C is 12 square root of 3, and D is 24.